Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get games on your modded 3DS. If you haven't modded your 3DS already, then follow my previous video which is a guide on how to mod it. I'll be showing you two ways to installing games. The first way you could do with just your phone, but the second way is fast and all you need is a computer. But both of these ways are super efficient. So let's get into the video. Oggletoe 3DS. So the first way I'm going to be showing you how to get games is with your phone. So here's how to get games. So first you want to go on your phone, or for this example I'm using my computer, and open your web browser. Then you want to type the game that you want to get on your system and then .cia. What .cia does is that's the format that 3DS uses for its games. So if you type your game and then .cia, it'll show the CIA file for your game and you can directly install it. So here's how to do it. So for example, I want to get Pokemon Ultra Sun. So I typed in the title of the game and then .cia after it. The first link that you'll see is for HShop. You want to click that link. You may have to fill out a CAPTCHA, but after you do, you'll see this QR code. But wait, don't scan the QR code with your regular 3DS camera. Instead, on your 3DS, you want to go to FBI. On FBI, you want to go to Remote Install. And then click Scan QR Code. Then hold up your system to the QR code and it will scan it. Now you just want to click Yes. And since this is a pretty big file, it'll take a long time to install, like 2 hours. This method is long, but you only need a device that has a web browser to do this method. And soon enough, after waiting this time, you'll get your game on your console. But for the sake of this video, I won't do this process because it is very time consuming. But let's go ahead and move on to the second method. Okay, for the second method, we're going to be putting the game directly on our SD card so that it's faster and so our system doesn't have to read the internet. So to do this, go on your computer and open your browser again. Then once more, you want to search for your favorite game in .cia. I've already done that. The game I choose is quite small though. Right here, you will see the QR code, but under the QR code, you'll see direct download in .cia in parentheses. You want to click on that and the download should start in the top right corner of your screen. After it's finished installing, go ahead and put your SD card inside of your computer. Now, just go ahead and open up the directory of the SD card. Now, make a new folder and call this folder CIA Games. Inside of here, put inside your CIA games. To do that, go ahead and go to your downloads, find your CIA game, and copy it. Then go to the directory of your SD card, go into your CIA games folder, and paste it right inside of here. You should see it inside of here. Now go ahead and close your file explorer and take your SD card out of your computer. Put it back into your 3DS and turn it on. Once your 3DS is on, go ahead and open FBI. Then go to SD, find your CIA games folder, and click on the CIA game that you want to install. Then just click Install and Delete CIA and click Yes. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how big your game is. Since my game is only 209 megabytes, I think it's megabytes, it'll only take 2 minutes to fully install the game. This method overall is my favorite method. This is because this is the fastest way to install games. This already takes 2 minutes, but if I decided to install it the first method, then it'll take about 5 through 7 minutes. And I always save a little time using this method when I first mod my 3DS. Because before I put my 3DS back into my console and start using it modded, I first put my CIA games inside of the SD card and quickly install them with FBI. That's why I have many cool games on my other 3DS. But once your game is done installing on here, then it'll delete the game file off of the SD card, but you'll still be able to play the game and have the save data and everything. It'll just make space on the SD card so that you can put more games and have more space for the games. And when you go into the home menu, you'll see a new gift, and that will be the game that you installed. What the hell's wrong with me? And that's the second method on how to install games on your 3DS. Now that you have the games installed on your 3DS, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and play them. This works for any single game that you want to install. There is also another method on installing games, but I'll make a video on that a different time. Probably today. But those are my two favorite ways on installing games. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, share this video with people who also have a modded 3DS. I would really love to get to 50 subscribers so I could play live 3DS games with you. I can't wait to start live streaming. Well, bye! Oggletoe 3DS.